Hello, myself Anisha Suryavanshi from Bhurabai Savan College of Engineering and Research, Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. Today's session I am going to deliver you a lecture on building components and their function. The building is mainly divided into two parts, that is substructure and the superstructure. Substructure means what? The part of the structure is laying below the ground surface is known as the substructure. In substructure, first one is the foundation. Foundation means what? To transfer the load of the structure up to the hard strata, to distribute the load of the entire structure over a widespread area, to increase the stability of the structure, to prevent the lateral movement of the supporting material, to attain a level and firm bed for building operations. Next one is the plinth. It provides protection from rainwater and the crawling animals and insects. Purpose of the plinth: to prevent the entry of flood into the building, to avoid dust, insects, reptiles, etc. entries inside the building, to enhance the appearance of the building, to prevent the dampness. What is meant by the superstructure? A part of the structure laying above the ground surface is called as the superstructure. First one is the walls. Walls from the outer limits of the building and separates the room from each other. In walls there is two types, partition wall and the cavity wall. Next one is the sill. It provides a suitable finish to window opening. It also affords a protection to the wall below the windows. It also provides the support to the vertical members. Lintel. It supports the portion of the wall over the opening. They are used to transmit the load of the adjacent wall over which they are supported. Doors. Doors are used for the free movement of the occupants in and out of the house. The outer doors are means of isolating the house from the surroundings from privacy and security point of view. Windows. Windows are provided for the admission of light and free circulation of air into the building. Floor. It provides the good resistance to wear and tear occurring due to its daily use. It provides level surface for comfortable movement. Mezzanine floor. An intermediate floor in a building which is open to floor below, it is placed halfway up to the wall on the floor. Roofs. Roofs are protected from elements like rain, sun, wind, snowfall, etc. Important part of the components is beam. It supports the transferred load of the building structure. It takes tensile load of the structure. Then again the main important part is column. It gives support to the floor at various levels in a frame structure or RCC structure. It provides an easy access from one floor to the other floor. Staircase. It provides an easy access from one floor to the other floor. And the last one is the parapet. Parapet acts as a protective solid balustrade for the users. It acts as a safeguard wall for small children on terrace. I hope you understand the topic of components of the building easily. Thank you.